Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing you how to crochet face mask. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. First take a look on the diagram of a face mask. We will start with a 10 chain plus 2 chain. Skip 2 chain, then in next 3 chains work 1 double crochet, then in next chain work 2 double crochet. Each time in the middle chain or a stitch work 1 double crochet, and opposite to that both side work 2 double crochet for first 6 rows. 1 2 3 4 5 6 rows. The next 4 rows 7, 8 and 9 and 10, 4 rows work 1 double crochet in each stitch, and last 6 rows work 2 double crochet together till 16 row. So let's start crocheting. I have taken a brown color yarn, a medium yarn and a hook size 3.5 mm. First work a slip knot, then chain 12, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, 10 chains plus 2 chains, 1 and 2, skip 2 chains and work into the next chain, that is 10th chain, work 1 double crochet. In next 2 chain again work 1 double crochet. The first 2 chains will not count for each rows. Then in next chain work 2 double crochet, 1, and in same stitch again work 1 more double crochet, that is 2. Then in next 2 chains work 1 double crochet, then in next chain work 2 double crochet in same chain, 1 and 2. Then in last 3 chain work 1 double crochet, as in first 3 chains we have worked 1 double crochet, 1, 2, and in last chain 3, and here we have first row, and then now we'll go for next second row. First 4 stitch work 1 double crochet, chain 2, turn the work. Now from second row till last row we will work in back loop of the stitch. Insert the hook into the back loop of the stitch and work 1 double crochet. For first 4 stitch, work 1 double crochet. Now in next stitch, that is the stitch which is exact the next to the middle 2 double crochet. Just have a look on diagram that in next to the middle 2 double crochet, each time on both side we will work 2 double crochet in same stitch. In the back loop, work 2 double crochet, 1 and 2. Then in middle 2 stitch, work 1 double crochet in each stitch. One and 2. Then other side of middle 2 double crochet, work 2 double crochet in same stitch, 1 and 2. Then in last 4 stitch, work 1 double crochet. Each time work in the back loop of the stitch. And here we have a second row. Now go for next row, third row, chain 2, turn the work and work in first 5 stitch, work 1 double crochet. You can see as we are increasing the rows, the both side 1 double crochet in each stitch are also increasing by 1. In first row, in first 3 stitch we have worked 1 double crochet. Then for second row, for first 4 stitch we have worked 1 double crochet. Then for next third row, now we are working in for first 5 stitch 1 double crochet. Then next to that stitch work 2 double crochet. Middle 2 stitches work 1 double crochet. Don't forget to work in the back loop till the last row. Then in next stitch work 2 double crochet, and in the last 5 stitch work 1 double crochet, as in first 5 stitch we have worked 1 double crochet. Continue working the next 3 stitch till 6th row, and if you have any problem you can take a screenshot of a diagram. And here we have a third row. The next fourth row. Before starting each row, work chain 2. Continue crocheting the next 4th, 5th and 6th row. Here we have total 6 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That first 6 rows, Now we will go for next 4 rows, 7, 8, 9 and 10. In each stitch, that is in each back loop, we will work 1 double crochet for 4 rows, 1 double crochet in each stitch, work 1 double crochet all the way across the row. And here we have our 7th row. Work next 4 rows, 1 double crochet in each stitch till 10th row. 1, 2, 3, 4 of 1 double crochet in each stitch. Now go for next 11th row. In first 8 stitch we will work 1 double crochet, then in next 2 stitch work 2 double crochet together, and middle 2 stitch as usual we are working 1 double crochet. For last 6 rows, next to 2 double crochet stitch, middle 2 double crochet stitch, work on both side 2 double crochet together, work chain 2, turn the work, first 8 stitch work 1 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Then in next 2 stitch we will work 2 double crochet together. See properly how to work 2 double crochet together. Insert the hook into the next stitch and pull through 2 loops. Then insert the hook into the next stitch and pull through 2 loops, and we have 3 loops on the hook. Go through all the loops on the hook, that is 2 double crochet together. Then next 2 stitch work 1 double crochet, that is middle 2 stitch. Next to that again work 2 double crochet together. Each time on both side of the middle 2 double crochet work 2 double crochet together, and then work in last 8 stitch work 1 double crochet for 11th row and complete the 11th row. You can see the middle 2 double crochet, and next, that is on both side, we have worked 2 double crochet together. Now we will go for next row, that is 12th row, chain 2, turn the work. Now for first 7 stitches, work 1 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. The next 2 stitch, which will be the exactly nearer to the middle 2 stitches, work 2 double crochet together, middle 2 stitch of 1 double crochet in each stitch, work 1 double crochet, 1 and 2 for middle 2 stitch, work 1 double crochet in each stitch. Then next to that, work 2 double crochet together. Then in last 7 stitches, work 1 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and last 7th. Here we have 12th row completed. Now next 13th row, we have first 6 stitches, 1 double crochet, then in next row first 5 stitches, 1 double crochet, then in next stitch 4, and in last 16th row chain 2, turn the work. For first 3 stitch, work 1 double crochet, then in next 2 stitch, work 2 double crochet together, middle 2 stitch, work 1 double crochet in each stitch, then in next 2 stitch, work 2 double crochet together, and in last 3 stitch, work 1 double crochet. And here we complete total 16 rows. Now we will go for ear lobes. Crochet a number of chains which will be comfortable to your ears or the size of the ear lobes you want, and then work single crochet on opposite side of the row, work ear lobe of same chain on other side also, and complete the mask. Insert the filter to the mask for more protection. And if you really enjoy the video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like the video, share the video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.